Good morning, students. Okay, the before class I discussed about the first chapter cell structure and function, ninth class, and second chapter is plant tissues. Okay, what is a tissues? First of all, we discuss about the tissues. What is a tissue? Tissue means the such a group of cells is called as a tissues. Okay, what is a cell? Before class also we have discussed about that. Cell. What is a cell? Cell is structural functional unit of a life. Alage, that only the tissue is such a group of cells is called as a tissues. Such a group of cells is called as a tissues. Such a group of cells is called as a tissues. Okay, we are there are so many different types of the cells are present. One is the single cellular and another one is the multicellular. Okay, single cellular. Before class also we are discussed about that single cellular. Single cellular means only one cell are present. Okay, and multicellular means so many cells are present. Okay, we are in single cellular organisms like amoeba and multicellular organisms like human body. Different types. Before class also we are discussed about it. That only the different types of the functions are every organism or every plant are different types of the functions are doing for that one. That only the absorption of water from soil. Okay, absorption of water from soil. Soil is which type of absorption of water from soil? Which substance? What are the part of the system and absorption of soil from the water from the soil, roots, weight ద్వారా తీసుకుంటాయి roots and respiration. Okay, respiration, exchange of the gases, stomato. Exchange of the gases వచ్చేప్పటికి stomato. Exchange of the gases, stomato. Exchange of the gases, stomato. And next one, photosynthesis. Which place are photosynthesis are doing for the plant? Leaf. Okay, photosynthesis. Leaf part. Okay, photosynthesis. Next one, the transpiration. Okay, what is the transpiration? Before class we have discussed about so many times, but only transpiration means the evaporation of water, the water vapor changing into the through the stomato process called as a evaporation. Transpiration. Okay, transpiration ekkada jarugutundi? Which place of transpiration is present in a stomato? And transpiration, stomato. We know in a stomato. Okay, next one, reproduction. Which place of reproduction are present in a plants, in flowers, seeds, etc. Reproduction ki one of the first important factor ఏంటమ్మా reproduction జరిగేటువంటి ప్లేస్ ఏంటి అంటే మనకి ఫ్లవర్ ని చెప్పుకుంటాం లేదా ఫ్రూట్, సీడ్స్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. Okay, what is a tissues? Tissues means such a group of cells is called as a tissues. There are the two types of the cells are present. One is the unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular means single cell only present, that is also called as unicellular. Uni means one. Okay, example amoeba. And multicellular organisms means so many cells are present, that is also called as a multicellular organisms. Okay, the absorption of the water from the soil, roots, and exchange of the gases, stomato. And next one, photosynthesis, leaf, and transpiration, stomato, and reproduction of flower. Okay, next one, cells in a onion peel. Okay, we are taking about that cells in a onion peel. Onion peel ganaka meer chusinattlaithe, onion peel, you know in a onions. Okay, cells in a onion peel. Onion peel lo cells అనేవి ఎలా ఉంటాయి? Onion peel. Cells in onion peel. Okay, take the onion and cut that, take the onion and cut the slice. Okay, slice, small slices ka vaatni cut cheyali. Take the onion and cut the slice and put into the, now try to the put into the slide. Okay, we are added for the 1 or 2 drops of the water. Okay, you take the onion and put into the slide and small slices are cutting to the small slices and you put the slide. Okay, put a drop of water. You are added for the put a drop of water and gently cover the cover slip. Okay, after you are added for the before added for the cover slip or not added before you are added for the glycerin or saffron. Okay, the saffron or glycerin. What is the importance of the glycerin or a saffron means the inner parts of the organs are clearly visible. That's why you are adding for the glycerin or a saffron. Okay, the staining purpose also used for that methylene blue. That one. Cell identification, clearly you are using for the cells in a clearly on the time you are added for the saffron or a glycerin. Okay, and gently you are put the cover slip and you are under the microscope, you are observing for the microscope the which type of cells are present in a cells are in a cell. It is structure and shape is a cells, every cell is a same size and shape and the cells are arranged in a rows. ఓకే, ద ఆన్ అండ్ పీల్ కనుక మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే మైక్రోస్కోప్లో కనుక మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినప్పుడు అది ఎలా కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటుందమ్మా మనకంటే ఒక రోస్ లాగా కనిపిస్తుంది. ఒకదాని తర్వాత ఒకటి మనకంటే ద సెల్స్ ఆర్ అరేంజ్డ్ ఇన్ ఏ రోస్. ఓకే, సీమా దిస్ ఈస్ ద రోస్. సెల్స్ ఇన్ అరేంజ్డ్ ఇన్ ఏ రోస్. Okay, the cells are present in a rows and the onion peel cell have different three parts are present. Onion peel cell have three parts are present. Which parts are present in a onion peel cell have three parts are present. Which parts? This is the onion peel cell. We are observing for the electron microscope or compound microscope. This is the structure present in a onion peel. We are observing for the slide preparation of the onion peel. On the time we are observing for the this one. What is this? Cell wall and nucleus and cytoplasm. These three are present in a onion peel. Okay, onion peel. We are observing for the onion peel. On the time these three parts are present. Cell wall, nucleus and cytoplasm are present. Okay, the rows are arranged in a the cells are arranged in a rows. ఇవి ఒక వరుస క్రమంలో ఉండడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. రోస్ లాగా ఉండడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. ఆల్ ద సెల్స్ ఆర్ సిమిలర్ అండ్ షేప్ అండ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ స్పేస్ ఆఫ్ ప్రజెంట్. సెల్స్ ఆర్ అరేంజ్డ్ ఇన్ ఏ రోస్. ఈచ్ cell have a nucleus, cytoplasm, cell wall are present. Okay, every cell is each cell have a nucleus, cytoplasm and cell wall are present. Okay ma, this is the onion peel cell. Okay, once again repeated, cells in a onion peel. We are observing for the cells in a onion peel. Take the onion and cut into a slices and small size slices are cutting to the put into a slide and add one drop of water or a glycerin and after you put the gently don't come from the air bubbles and put the cover slip. After you are observing for the electron microscope. The electron microscope, all cells are shape and structure is same and same in size and the cells are arranged in a rows and the cells have a cell wall, cytoplasm, nucleus. Ila three parts, each cell have a nucleus, cell wall and cytoplasm are present. Okay, this is the onion peel. Once again, next one, the beetle leaf. Cells in a beetle leaf. The cells in a beetle leaf. Cells in a leaf peel. The experiment are doing for the beetle leaf. You know in a beetle leaf, you know that only. Beetle leaf means tamalapaku. Okay. Beetle leaf. You take that in onion peel. How is it prepared? That only. That one also prepared. Okay, beetle leaf. In beetle leaf, we take the beetle leaf. You take the beetle leaf and cut into the small slices and put a drop of water and put that slide and add it for the cover slip. The cover slip are added on the time you are observing for the microscope. Okay, electron microscope, you are observing for the electron microscope, and that time they are arranged in a small gaps called a stomato. Okay, beetle leaf యొక్క స్ట్రక్చర్ కనుక మీరు కనుక చూసినట్లయితే దానిలో వచ్చేటప్పటికి ఇలాంటి రోస్ అనేవి మనకు కనబడతాం అనేది జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. విజిబుల్ ఫర్ దట్ వన్ స్మాల్ గ్యాప్స్ అనేవి ఉన్నాయి. వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ స్టొమాటోస్. ఈ స్మాల్ గ్యాప్స్ మనం స్టొమాటోస్ కింద చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. వాట్ ఇస్ ద ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టొమాటోస్ ఇన్ ఏ లీఫ్? We know in A the stomatos of exchange of the gases. Okay, the stomatos are which shape? In kidney shape. Okay, kidney shapes lo untamane jarugutundi. Okay, the stomatos are present in a small gaps between the they are arranged in a rows in a structure and function is different. Okay, shape and size are different, but cells are arranged in a they are arranged in small gaps called a stomatos. All the cells are not same size. Okay, all cells అనేవి సేమ్ గా లేవు. బికాజ్ ద స్మాల్ గ్యాప్స్ అనేవి ఉన్నాయి. వాటిని ఏమని పిలుస్తారంటే ద స్మాల్ గ్యాప్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ స్టొమాటో. వాటిని ఏమని పిలుస్తారు? స్టొమాటో. స్టొమాటో. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద స్టొమాటో? యు నో ఇన్ స్టొమాటోస్. What is the stomato? This like stomato are present. The stomatos is both sides kidney shaped are present. That is also called as a gourd cells. What name పిలుస్తారమ్మా అంటే gourd cells అనేటువంటి పేరుతో పిలుస్తారు. gourd cells. వాటిని gourd cells అనేటువంటి పేరుతో పిలుస్తారు. What is the importance of the stomato? What is the importance of the stomato? Stomatos యొక్క importance. What is the importance of the stomato? What is the importance of the stomato? The stomato are present in a upper leaf. Okay. Okay. Large number of upper leaf have a stomatos are present. The stomatos. What is the importance of the stomato? Exchange of the gases. Okay. Exchange of the gases. Exchange of the gases between the plants and atmosphere. Okay. What is the importance of the stomato? Stomato is exchange of the gases. Okay. Next one, the next tissues. Okay, the tissues are there are the 4 types of the tissues are present. Okay, tissues. First of all, మనం discuss చేసింది. First of all, we are discuss about the tissues. What are the tissues? What is the tissues? Such a group of a cells is called as a tissues. Okay, the tissues are divided into 4 types. What is that? Meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue. Second one is dermal tissue. Dermal tissues. And third one is brown tissue. Brown tissue. And fourth one is vascular tissue. Vascular tissue. Okay ma, how many types of tissues are there? There are 4 types of the tissues are there. What is that? The meristematic tissue, dermal tissue. Next one is vascular, brown tissue and vascular tissue. What is meant by the meristematic tissue? What is meant by the meristematic tissue? Meristematic tissue bring that overall growth and rapid is called as a meristematic tissue. Okay, the meristematic tissue, the tissue is overall growth and rapid is called as a meristematic tissue. Meristematic tissue means the tissue bring that overall growth and rapid is called meristematic tissue. Okay ma? Okay, what is the meristematic tissue? You know, the tissue is that overall growth and rapid is called as a meristematic tissue. Okay, second one is the dermal tissue. ఈ dermal tissue కనుక మనం చూస్తే dermal tissue, we are observed for the dermal tissue is the dermal means outer. Okay, the tissue that forms the outer covering are called as a dermal tissue. Okay, dermal means outer part. Okay, the tissue that outer covering is called as a dermal tissue. The tissue that outer covering is called as a outer covering is called as dermal tissue. Outer covering is called as a dermal tissue. Outer, dermal means outer. The tissue that outer covering is called as a dermal tissue. Okay, ma? Okay. Now we are discuss about the meristematic tissue and dermal tissue. What is the meristematic tissue? The overall growth and rapid is called as a meristematic tissue, and dermal tissue means the outer covering. The tissue that outer covering is called as a dermal tissue. Okay, ma? There are the four types of the tissues are there. Once again repeated, ma. Meristematic tissue, dermal tissue, ground tissue and vascular tissue. Okay, four types. The four types, first one is meristematic tissue. What is the meristematic tissue means? The tissue that overall growth and rapid is called as a meristematic tissue. And second one is dermal tissue. Dermal tissue is the tissue that outer covering is called as a dermal tissue. Okay, next one is the ground tissue. Ground tissue. Okay, second one, ground tissue. Ground tissue, okay, the tissue that the block of plant and forming a helping a packing of other tissues is called as a ground tissue. Bulk of plant body and tissues is called as a ground tissue. And vascular tissue means, fourth one is the vascular tissue. Vascular tissue when we observe చేసినట్లయితే, the vascular tissue that help the transport of materials are the vascular tissue. Transport of the materials. Transport of the materials. Which type of transport of the materials? The phloem and xylem. Okay, what is the importance of the phloem? What is the importance of the xylem? The xylem is a water transport lo use అవుతుంది. అలాగే phloem వచ్చేటప్పటికి మనకి ఫుడ్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్ లో ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ లో యూజ్ అవడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, how many tissues are there? There are the four types of the tissues are there. One is the meristematic tissue, second one is the dermal tissue, and third one is the ground tissue, and fourth one is the vascular tissue. The meristematic tissue is the tissue that overall growth and bulk is called as a overall growth and rapid is called as a meristematic tissue, and the dermal tissue the tissue that the outer covering is called as a dermal tissue, and third one is the ground tissue. The ground tissue is the tissue that the block forming of the plant and tissue is called as a ground tissue, and vascular tissue means the transport of the food material is called as a vascular tissue. ఈ vascular tissue మనం మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే this is the vascular bundle. Vascular bundle యొక్క upper part is a phloem are present and lower part is a xylem is present. Okay, this is the xylem fibers. Okay, phloem fibers, skew tubes, skew cells, campanian cells are present in a phloem, and xylem have a xylem fibers, xylem vessels are present in a 9th class chapter. In before after lessons we have discussed about that one, and xylem fibers and xylem vessels are present. This is the vascular bundle. The vascular bundle have a two parts are present. Upper part is a phloem and lower part is a xylem are present. The phloem is important for the transport of the food material top to bottom. అంటే రూట్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి అప్పర్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద లీఫ్ యొక్క టాప్ యొక్క ఎపికల్ టిష్యూస్ దగ్గర ఎపికల్ టిప్ దగ్గర వరకు మనకి ఫుడ్ని ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉండడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. ఫ్లోయం వచ్చేటప్పటికి జైలం వచ్చేటప్పటికి వాటర్ ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్లో మనకి యూజ్ అవుతుంది. దీనిలోనే మనకి ఫ్లోయంలో వచ్చేటికి కంపానియన్ సెల్స్, స్క్యూ ట్యూబ్స్ ఆర్ ప్రజెంట్, అండ్ జైలంలో వచ్చేటికి జైలం ఫైబర్స్, జైలం వెజర్స్, దిస్ వన్ ఆర్ ప్రజెంట్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్, we have already observed the types of tissues. We observed various types of the plant tissues. We know techniques preparing the slides, cutting sections, and another another one is a meristematic tissue at the growing tip of the bring. First one meristematic tissue. మెరిస్టమాటిక్ టిష్యూ. ఈ మెరిస్టమాటిక్ టిష్యూలో వచ్చేటప్పటికి ఎపికల్ టిష్యూస్. ఓకే, ఎపికల్ మెరిస్టమాటిక్ అండ్ లేటరల్ మెరిస్టమాటిక్ టిష్యూస్. ఓకే, ఎపికల్ ఈ మెరిస్టమాటిక్ టిష్యూస్ డివైడెడ్ ఇంటూ టూ. వన్ ఇస్ ద ఎపికల్ మెరిస్టమాటిక్ tissues and lateral meristematic tissues. The apical meristematic tissue means the meristematic tissue at the growing tip. The growth length are called as apical meristematic tissue. The meristematic tissue of apical means upper. Apical means upper. Upper tip of the part is called as a apical meristematic tissue. Okay, now the tissue that the upper part of the tip is called as a apical meristematic means, and lateral means in besides or present is tips is called as a lateral meristematic tissues. Okay, the meristematic tissue upper part of the growing tip is called as a growth of the length are called as a meristematic, apical meristematic, and lateral meristematic means the tissue present around the edges in a lateral manner giving rise to gives the stem are called as a lateral meristematic. And areas from the which branching takes place with leaf, flower, stalk grows we found kind of meristematic tissue or intercalary meristematic, also called a cambium. అయితే దీనిలో meristematic tissue are divided into three types. One is the apical meristematic, lateral meristematic, and intercalary meristematic. Intercalary meristematic tissues. Intercalary meristematic tissues. Intercalary meristematic tissue, another name, the cambium. Okay, another name is a cambium. Okay, another name is a cambium. Intercalary. Inter means middle. The leaf of a flower stalk grows. The branching takes place in a leaf of a flower or a branching is called as a intercalary, and cambium also called. This is also called as a cambium. Okay, ma'am. Okay, before now once again repeated that one, the meristematic tissues and ground tissues and dermal tissues and vascular tissues. The meristematic tissue are divided into it. What is the meristematic tissue? The tissue that the overall growth and rapid is called as a meristematic tissue. The meristematic tissue are divided into three types. One is the apical meristematic, second one is the lateral meristematic, and third one is the intercalary meristematic. Apical meristematic means the tissue that growing the plant is a apical part of the growing length of the plant is called as a apical meristematic, and lateral meristematic means the growth of the plant is a lateral parts, means beside parts are grow is called as a lateral meristematic, and intercalary means the branches produced for the branches and takes place in a leaf of a flower stalk grown is called as a intercalary meristematic tissues. This is also called as a cambium also called. Okay, once again next class will be discussing dermal tissues. Okay, thank you.